What is up, XRP community? Welcome back to another video. Thank you for joining me. I want to talk about Elon Musk and a recent Twitter space he did where he talks about cryptographic payments on Twitter, and people are speculating about a connection between XRP and Twitter. Coinbase has reached the U.S. Supreme Court. According to a report from Bloomberg, this issue stems from conflicting agreements between the parties, with one contract advocating arbitration and the other supporting courtroom litigation. Coinbase initially applied arbitration clauses to its clients, but a complication arose with a sweepstakes agreement that directed dispute resolution to California courts. And this case is going to be pretty pivotal to the XRP case. And people are speculating that if Coinbase is successful in this lawsuit in the Supreme Court, that will bode well for the closing up of the SEC case. And something else about the SEC case. This is 15 hours ago from Cointelegraph. Crypto lawyer says a $20 million settlement is a 99% win for Ripple. Now the SEC is asking for $770 million. John Deaton, XRP community member and lawyer, says that he refutes the idea that the XRP lawsuit result was even 50-50 outcome for the SEC. I think we all can agree on that. And claiming that it's closer to a 90-10 advantage in favor of Ripple. In a recent Twitter post, he basically said it's closer to a 90-10 advantage. His viewpoint resonates with the sentiment in the crypto community, which generally views the suggested $20 million settlement as a positive resolution for Ripple. Compare $20 million to $770 million. I would say it's a pretty positive outcome. Stuart Alderati further outlined some stuff, pointing that the SEC faced another defeat this week. Talked about this a few days ago. But there was another case, SEC versus Govel, in the Second Court of Appeals, ruled that the SEC cannot request a substantial disgorgement award without first demonstrating actual financial harm to investors. So the SEC is asking for $700 million, but they have to demonstrate actual financial harm to investors. In essence, no harm, no foul. If you guys want $61 for free, sign up with Webull, deposit 1 penny. You can get up to $3,000 in free stocks. Typically, you just get $60 to $300, but it's a great offer just for signing up, depositing 1 penny, get your $61, sell your stocks, close your account, and do whatever you want. But don't miss out on this great offer from Webull. A link in the video description below. And institutions are buying XRP on the open market. They can't buy XRP directly from Ripple. You can thank the SEC for that. They can't use customer funds. When they are ready, they're coming for the public supply. And he quote tweets this from Buy the Crypto Dip. Someone just bought another $1 billion of XRP. So it's either a billionaire buying or it's an institution. Most likely it's an institution. And this is the fourth buy, over 500 mil in the last 7 days before 8 in the morning. Why are big institutions like Uphold buying in the mornings? Because it allows the peasants to dump throughout the rest of the day. Due to the peasants taking profits off a small pump, when any asset pumps, typically there's a little sell-off. Then institutions buy the dumped asset the next morning. XRP already owns 3.5% of the XRP circulating in the market right now. 1.25 billion of the $34 billion market cap. And if you guys need a spot to get XRP or Flare, I recommend Uphold. You can find a link to the Uphold exchange in the video description below. And a lot's coming up in these next 15 days. Here we have the implementation date for a lot of the biggest financial players in the world of the ISO 222. This guy says November 20th is going to be a game changer. Get ready for an incredible journey. And it's going to be interesting to see what effect this does have on the price, if it's a nothing burger, or if what a lot of riddlers in the community speculate on the flip of the switch. Elon Musk news. Okay, so he launched an AI chatbot, Grok. It says it can outperform GPT. I just thought that was an interesting headline. I don't know if you guys have used it at all, but it's a kind of a more funny AI chatbot. It has a lot of humor to it, which the meme lord Elon Musk, that's not too surprising. For anyone thinking I made this up, understand I'm a bigger fan of Hedera than I am of Ripple, and I wish Elon Musk had said HBAR, but he didn't. He said XRP. Okay? Take a listen to this Twitter space.
That I think everyone was kind of curious about is, do you see X in the future using a crypto like Doge or maybe Bitcoin Lightning Network or something like that?
You know, we're all about pushing the boundaries of technology, and I've been having some fun. playing around with Doge on the side, but to be completely transparent, it's not ready to handle payments on X, and the Lightning Network, it's nowhere near what we need. It's a total fucking joke right now, really.
What are you?
So, I was smoking a little pot with David Schwartz, and he was explaining XRP to me. At this point, I think XRP might be the only real chance.
Elon.
So, a very interesting clip from Elon Musk. And something about the Bitcoin market. Last time Bitcoin exploded to its all-time highs, it hit RSI levels of 70. The RSI is the relative strength index, okay? Basically is a metric to gauge an asset's momentum. With Bitcoin's RSI above this 70 level, the analyst says that based on Bitcoin history, it could be on move for a lot more upside. He says, we analyzed our proprietary regime shift and concluded that we were transitioning from a bearish to bullish environment. Pardon me. The weekly chart reinforces our view. A long-term bullish trend was confirmed. Momentum is building up. And from the looks, it's only beginning. Notice how the last time the RSI crossed 70, Bitcoin exploded. And yeah, this is about Bitcoin, not XRP. But a higher Bitcoin price bodes well for the whole crypto market. RSI is now beginning to be overbought, which typically means it'll correct a bit. But it could stretch higher to the 100 mark. So you see right here, this green shaded area. It's kind of small on the screen. I click this. No, I can't. Last time we broke 70 on the RSI, that's when we had this crazy run up from the 10K range to the 60K range. Okay. And right now, we're seeing that same RSI development. Really strong weekly candles on Bitcoin. RSI is at 70. It could bounce down off this, but it is good to see this. I would say this is very bullish information. Take a listen to this clip of a Ripple employee talking about Ripple versus Ethereum. Be careful what technology you get behind.
And on the other side of the coin for that, we have seen some news reports occasionally that, for example, Ethereum was found to have some bugs in the wallet. How can we mitigate the effects of open source technologies for companies? Is this avoidable at all, or is this just something we need to be prepared for?
That's a great question. So I would just say, generally speaking, if anyone is looking to get into the space, if you're looking at which technologies to actually use for whatever use case you're solving for, just make sure you do your due diligence. Just because there is a technology that many people are using that's very recognizable, doesn't necessarily mean it's the best technology. And it doesn't mean that it's even in kind of an inherently good technology. I mean that it's scalable and it's actually secure. I think it's safe to say, or from my perspective, being in this space for about 5 years, is that a lot of people are really religious about these technologies, and they will just defend to the death whatever digital asset that they're invested in or whatever blockchain technology that they're using. But a lot of these people just don't really give that much thought to, hey, is this technology actually scalable? Is this something that's exploitable? And really just again and again, there have been exploits that have come out for a lot of these really popular technologies. And a lot of people say, hey, it's a feature, not a bug. It's definitely a bug. I mean, some of these are critical.
So is it scalable? We all obviously know Bitcoin is not scalable. Ethereum, crypto hasn't even had mainstream adoption, I would say, at this point. And Ethereum transaction fees are already totally out of wonk. Now, there is something with Ethereum called sharding. That could be years away. However, sharding will make Ethereum a lot more scalable. But you already have something like XRP, which can scale. Pardon me. And there's really fundamental value beyond the token. If you guys made it to the end of the video, comment below what other ISO 222 coin you like. XLM, HBAR, let me know in the comment section below. I know we talk about XRP, but if you watch the full video, let me know. You're one of the loyal supporters by answering that question in the comment section below. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Take care of yourselves. Take care of your families. Until next time.